Oh, we got an accident. Ooh. You good? All right.
Got it.
I'm good. I'm good. Check Randy and his girl.
Oh, chill, dude. What?
Babe, I'm right here.
What? Where's he at?
I was on that one, man.
You okay?
No.
Don't you have a seat?
Hey, lay down, lay down, lay down. Lay down.
Hold on.
Seriously. Babe, are you
Kevin,
okay?
fam.
Yeah, y'all need to.
Where's you bleeding at?
Kevin.
Where are you bleeding at, honey?
PHAM.
Lay down, lay down,
Sit
lay
down on
down.
the ground.
Get down.
Lay down, lay down.
Don't lay down, man.
Lay down, lay down.
Yeah, just don't.
Hey, Randy, Randy. Randy, Randy.
Hold on, hold on. We need to get an ambulance here.
Ma'am, look, open your eyes. Let me see if she's
It's in the front of her head.
Let me see. Open your eyes.
I got it, sir. I got it. Sit down. Sit down.
Ma'am,
Babe,
can you look at me?
babe, stay with me. Hey, pick up your bike, let's go. Bike, bike, bike. Go, 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 go.
Hey, not that good. I'm done. My bike's done. Here.
Pick it up. Careful. Is it neutral?
No.
Go. All right, go, go.
Push it where?
Push it, push it. All right, let's go.
Hey, where am I?
Push it. Over here.
Friend okay?
Yeah.
I went down and my friend went down. He wasn't wearing gear, but we're good.
So you're both okay?
I'm fine.
Someone pulled out on him. Pull it up over here.
You guys okay? They're on their way right now. If nobody witnessed it, y'all can all leave.
I'm going with Courtney in the ambulance. What?
Were you the driver of one of the bikes involved?
Say again?
Were you involved in the wreck?
No.
Okay. I was. Okay, you were and they were? Yeah. My bike is...
Oh. Hey. Damn, man.
You didn't see it? Huh? You didn't see it?
I saw it. I tried to like.
You tried to turn right, didn't you?
No, I tried to like get in between. I mean, I was good. That's why the bike not that bad. I'll tell you what, Frame Slider saved the day again.
Hey, watch carefully. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, God damn it.
Bro, what the f? You alright? Relax, bro. No, wait, yo, chill.
Grab that, get out of the way.
No, just wait. Let go of the bike. Dude, you caught your pedal on me, man. Yeah, you just fell off for the first time, by the way. Congrats. I've got no phone. Go over there and sit over there. Sit on the curb. Bro, you can't move this. That's now. Move it up there. You hitting the side of me? That visor is... You went for a roll. You good? Dude.
Yeah, bro. Man, you alright? Oh, yeah. Can I help, man? I see we got officer coming on up. I'll see you. He'll probably want to put your stand down. Man, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good. Damn.